Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Discord screen share audio problem in mobile phone. So guys, if you're using iPhone and when you have open your Discord and you have share your screen and facing audio problem means audio not working on your screen share, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you have to open your settings on your iPhone, and guys you need to scroll it down, click on privacy and security, and guys after this click on microphone. So guys, simply you will find here Discord app. So guys, you need to enable your microphone from here, and guys you have to go back, scroll it below. Here you will find the app, Discord app, and guys you need to turn on your microphone from here as well. So guys, after enable your microphone permission, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you have to check for update. Open your app store in your iPhone, and guys here you need to search Discord app. And after opening your app, simply you have to open your app here. So guys, as you can see, and guys if your app is not updated, you have to update your app. And guys after doing update, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to open your settings, and guys click on general, click on iPhone storage, and guys after this you have to scroll it down, open your Discord app, and guys you have to upload your app. And after doing upload, you need to reinstall again and log in again. And guys after update and after login your account, then guys when you have share your screen on Discord, your audio problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.